Hey there, it's Steve from SeriousKeto.com, and in today's video I am going to make you a keto god amongst mere mortals. But before we do that, if you're interested in keto cooking videos, product reviews, ingredient reviews, or lessons learned from my experiences with the ketogenic lifestyle and intermittent fasting, click that subscribe button down there. And while you're at it, click that little bell next to it so you'll be certain not to miss any of my videos. If you've ever had those candied pecans that you get at various festivals or county fairs that come in that sort of cone-shaped plastic, you know that on a scale of 1 to 10, they're right up there with crystal meth in terms of addictiveness. Is that a word? Addictiveness? Addictivity? Whatever. They are super, super crazy addictive. They're also pretty high in carbs at close to 30 grams of carbs per serving. Back when I was pre-keto, candied pecans was my go-to recipe whenever I had to bring something to a party. People were just amazed at how delicious they were. The little secret is they're pretty easy to make. I've modified that recipe by eliminating the sugar and adding 4 sugar alternatives. You may be wondering, why 4 different sweeteners? Why not just stick with one? Why not just pick erythritol? Well, in my experience, every one of these non-sugar sweeteners has sort of distinctive characteristics, some good, some bad, and by combining multiples of them, they kind of balance out the bad and give you more of that sugary taste, in my opinion. So that's why we're doing all 4. But hey, why don't we get right to making them? 1/4 cup monk fruit, 1/4 cup erythritol, 1/4 cup Boca Sweet, 1/4 cup Sucrin Gold, 1 teaspoon of finely ground sea salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 pound, or roughly 4 cups, of pecan halves, 1 egg white. To the egg white we'll add 1 tablespoon of water and 10 to 15 drops of liquid stevia. I'm using vanilla cream just to add one more extra thing to the flavor here. Whip the egg white until it gets to about the consistency of a St. Bernard's drool. Pour all of your dry ingredients into a 1-gallon Ziploc bag. Seal and mix around until all of your sweeteners are thoroughly incorporated. We'll pour our pecan halves into a second Ziploc bag, and to this we'll add our egg white mixture. Seal the bag and shake it around or massage it until all of the egg white is thoroughly distributed. Once all the pecans are thoroughly coated with egg white, we'll dump in our dry ingredients. Seal and shake it around until your pecans are thoroughly coated. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees. Spread the pecans out on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, or even better, one of these silicone mats. Do your best to get a single layer. And pop them into your oven. The pecans will take about an hour to cook, but we will be taking them out every 15 minutes and tossing them around with the spatula just to make sure that we kind of break them up and that they get thoroughly and properly cooked. And there's our pecans. Now we let them sit for an hour while they cool. The pecans have been cooling for about 2 hours so far. Let's give them a try. Okay. Wow. They're just amazing. And if you give these to a non-keto friend or family member, they're not, their brains are going to explode when you tell them that this is keto. Not only is this a great keto snack because it's 22 grams of fat, 3 grams of protein, and only 1 net gram of carbs, it's also great for putting into your fat bombs or sprinkling on top of a salad. We really like arugula salads with goat cheese and some balsamic. This is wonderful on that. Plus, like I said at the outset, people are going to be amazed when they taste this. And as good as they are now, they're going to be even better tomorrow as they get a little bit crunchier. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're into nuts and snacking and almonds, check out this video right here on some pan-roasted wasabi lime almonds. Thanks for watching.